Okay, guys, let's do this. The grocery list is as follows. Page 1, orange juice, milk, cheese, eggs, tuna, chocolate. Page 2, paper towels, glue, hair ties, bottled water, Band-Aids, Tylenol. Oh, I didn't see that last one. Larksine's handwriting is kind of hard to read. Tampons? Right, page 1, all of us, mad cool. I hate you all. Whoa, Zemmy's one to talk. His handwriting totally bites. Groceries looks like gracones. Gracones, that's Spanish for balls. What? Why would you? That's cojones, dumbass. Axel, how do you know that? We'll tell you when you're older, little dude. Now go find some of these for me, will ya? And you, shopping foul, abuse of foreign language, penalty time. Penalty time? Kingdom Hearts, strike me dead where I stand. Oh my Graconi. They come in sizes? One word out of you three and I let Zoldan have a stabby way with you. I'm not sure which sounds worse, the interpretation of that with innuendo or without. Oh, your parents should have been shot there, but the price isn't coming up on these. I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, but the barcode on this box of tampons seems to be damaged. Let me do a price check. Oh, God. Can I get a price check on one box of Mountain Breeze? Quiet package? Sammy's got a quiet package. I heard that, and I'm killing you all. Extra large, collapsible, easy application, pearl tip. Look here, 10,000 money. Keep the change. Tampons. Tampons. Yes! Tampons! I, Zemnis, superior of the organization, master of all nobodies, lord of Castle Oblivion, and final boss of Kingdom Hearts 2, and buying tampons! Little things Larksine wants stuck in her unmentionables for no reason, I and my Y chromosomes can possibly comprehend. Tampons! Let's say it some more. Tampons, 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 tampons! There goes a broken man. No Have kidding. A nice day. They come in flavors? But the box on the box. Extra large. Fuck. The tampons seem to be damaged. Let me do a price check. An evil price check. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sir, but the box on this tampons of the tap. And you, shopping fool! Oh, fuck, it's foul. We'll tell you when you're older, little dude. Now go find some of these things for blah 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 condoms.